How to fix Bluetooth keyboard not connected after installing KB4343909 in Windows 10. Right-click on Start, and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, click the arrow next to Bluetooth, and select the Bluetooth radio. Right-click the Bluetooth radio and select Properties. Select the Power Management tab, and see if there is a check next to allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. On the Advanced tab, the properties of your Bluetooth radio, check the HCI and LMP versions. Refer to the following image. If these versions are 6.0 or higher, then update to the latest radio driver available by checking Windows Update. If there is no update available, check with the manufacturer of your PC using the official support site. You can also uncheck the box next to the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option in the Device Manager. If the Bluetooth keyboard issue continues, remove KB4343909 from your system, and temporarily block that update from reinstalling later. https://goo.gl/p7ypdi. See the Download the Show or Hide Updates Troubleshooter package now. Part.